My friends, stay tuned for this video. I am going to talk about the foundation of beauty, what makes the skin thin, and what we can use to prevent the thinning of the skin. So stay tuned. I have this awesome recipe that is not found anywhere but my own discovery. Okay, see you in a few minutes. Bye-bye. Hello my lovely friends on YouTube, Clarissa here. I am back with another video, my sweet friends, and this video is going to be about the foundation of beauty, meaning that when we lose a structure in our skin is going to become thin, sagging, and wrinkling. So all you know that the main structure of the skin that holds together in place is protein fibers, which are collagen, elastin, and keratin. I mentioned these several times in my videos, but also there are certain minerals that will avoid or will prevent the skin from thinning. So when your skin is thin, it's because you have lost the foundation, you have lost the structure. And there are many things that you can do internally and externally. But we're going to be talking about a product that you could use externally. This has not been shown on YouTube. This is my own discovery because I have a background studies in analyzing ingredients and what is good to put on your skin. And so but first I am going to explain, because this formula has a mineral that helps to prevent the skin from thinning, and so this is calcium, and also has zinc that helps to prevent the sagging of the skin. Now, calcium in our bodies are very important because calcium is responsible to help the body to regulate the cell turnover, the cell regeneration in our skin. Calcium in our dermis will help to regulate the cell turnover. So by this process, it replaces old cells with new cells. And so having calcium again in your epidermis will speed up the process of the cell regeneration. So taking calcium internally is a very good thing to do, because also it's not good just for your skin, but it's good for your bones. Long time ago, years ago, Lancome had produced a product formulated with calcium to prevent the thinning of the skin. Unfortunately, that product is not in the market anymore. But I had done a lot of research to bring this video. I had done it myself for a long time, on and off. And this product is going to give you oxygenation as well, incredible oxygenation to your skin to maintain the elasticity of the skin. So let me show you the product. You're going to be really surprised, because it's not a face cream, it's not a face mask, it is not a face serum, but it is a product that you use it to brush your teeth, believe it or not. But it's completely all natural with compatible ingredients to function good on your skin. Now keep in mind that the tissue around your mouth is an area where anything absorbs very quickly into the bloodstream. Almost immediately goes, anything that you put in your mouth, it will go into your blood. That's why there are the supplementations called sublingual, which you place a little pill under your tongue, so it goes immediately into your bloodstream. And it's because that area, the tissue, has the ability to absorb anything that you put into your body. And so that's why I recommend, when you use a toothpaste, this is a toothpaste, when you use a toothpaste, it has to be free of chemicals, because when you're using something with chemicals, it's going to go into your body, creating free radicals. So the main ingredient here is calcium. So as I explained before, prevents the thinning of the skin. It has the zinc also to maintain the skin elastic and preventing the sagging. It has pineapple extract to exfoliate the top layer of the skin. The top layer of the skin is what suffers the most. The top outer layer of the skin suffers the most because it's exposed to the environment and lights and even smoke, all kinds of free radicals that really disturbs the balance of moisture in your skin. And so also has the papain extract that helps to exfoliate as well. It has pomegranate extract, a super antioxidant for your skin. And let's see what else it has. It has the cocoyl glutamate that comes from amino acids to support the structure of the skin. These are all natural ingredients that is safe to put in your mouth and safe to put on your skin. Trust me, because all these ingredients are compatible to be able to use on your skin. Don't be using any type of toothpaste. This is the one that I have been using for a long time, and the company name is Himalaya Botanic Whitening Complete Care. Okay, so let me open. I have just got a new one. This is my 4th container, and has the little, oops, yeah. Okay, so it's a white paste, as you can see. And what you're going to do, take it off in a container. So I have this little container. Where's my spatula? It's right here. Okay, so I have this container right here. And what you're going to do is squeeze a good amount of it. Okay, and then what you're going to do is put some emo oil for absorption of the ingredients into your skin. So you're gonna put 20 drops, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 20 drops. Okay, so you mix it all together, and it's going to become a white mask. And so before you apply, make sure your skin is exfoliated. Use a hot towel to open up your pores, and then apply this and leave it for 30 minutes. Now, to remove the mask, use a brush like this kind of brush, you could use it, or you could use an ionic brush, any type of brush. So remove it, very wet your face first, and then remove it with the brush, and then wash your face. The reason you're gonna remove with the brush is just as a simple and gentle explanation. It's going to be applied on your skin in order for the skin to become more vibrant and more glowing. Perfect for an event to use this mask. And so any type of brush will work. And because this formula has you know, the calcium, it's going to help with the process of cell regeneration, cell turnover. And when the epidermis doesn't have enough calcium, is when you lose the ability to regenerate the cells, and therefore your skin is going to be sag and wrinkle. And now also keep in mind, if you don't take calcium supplementation internally, your bones are going to degrade, your bones are going to shrink. So let's suppose you know, you're losing calcium, you're going to see the first signs in your cheeks because the bone is shrunk. And so the consequences is just the sagging and the thinning of the skin, because the bone is what keeps also the skin looking plump. And so the good amount of bone, it's going to maintain your skin firmer and tighter. And together with your facial workouts, and like I said in several videos, there is no need for plastic surgery. I'm not against plastic surgery, but personally I don't believe having one, because there are so many sources and so many treatments and so many options to be able to take care of your skin and look younger than your natural age. So this mask right here will give you oxygenation due to the good amount of mint oil, and also it's going to help with the cell turnover, cell regeneration, to maintain your skin firmer and more elastic. And so make sure you get the Himalaya Botanic Whitening Complete Care. And so you can find it at the health food store or Whole Foods. This is a very specific formula, so don't be using anything else but this formula. You could find it also, let me see, yeah, website here, www.himalayausa.com. This is a very good company for supplementation. They specialize a lot in herbs. Supplementation. I have used this company for many years, and so this is the video for today, my friends. And if you don't agree with this recipe, be gentle with your comments, because it's not necessary to leave nasty comments, and I am here to help. I have the good intention to help. And like I said, my background, my studies, I have studies in analyzing ingredients, and I know exactly what is to put in your skin. Don't be buying Colgate or anything like that to put in your skin. Stick to this one here, my friends. This is not a sponsor video. I bought it myself, and with the intention to keep on helping you guys. My lovely friends, before I leave, I'd like to emphasize again this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Foundation. My goodness, I just love it. I'm using it today. I apply it today, and I am very happy. See my last video, which I did a review. I tested it and reviewed it at the same time. And this I am going to tell you, if you cannot afford the Makeup Forever foundation, Invisible Makeup Forever foundation, this is almost identical, very similar. But you know what? I like this better because it makes your skin much more poreless, much more flawless. So I'll see you in the next video, my friends. Stay beautiful and gorgeous and take your nutrients. And remember, I always say this, don't get discouraged. Keep on working and trying to get the best care for your body because your body is going to respond and you're going to see results eventually. And may God bless you and give you the desires of your heart. And remember Psalms 23, God provides good things so we can stay young and strong like an eagle. If you really get close to Him, if you really get connected with Him, He gives you the desires of your heart and according to His will. And so stay healthy, gorgeous, and I'll see you in the next video, my friends. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.